for 8 years at 2 facilities in Montana. One application was to prevent wear on the boiler tubes from the high ash in the coal. The second use was to prevent agglomeration from adhering to the tubes caused by highly sulfated limestone.
First, the tubes are sandblasted down to white metal, thus cleaning them and preparing a surface to which the coating can adhere. The ceramic is sprayed on in thin multiple layers to a predetermined thickness. When the boiler is brought up to operating temperature, the ceramic layer cures and chemically bonds to the steel, much harder than the mild steel to which it is applied. The green color of the ceramic material functions as a wear indicator, so if plant operators can see green, they know their tubes are not coated with waste material. The higher the heat exchange, the more efficient a boiler is, which means it will consume less fuel and emit fewer greenhouse gases.
Since the application of the green shield on the superheat tubes, the furnace temperatures in the combustors have been lowered, which has ultimately increased the efficiency of the plant. The green shield has also eliminated any of the forced outages that were occurring 2 to 3 times a year, thereby saving this project well over $1 million in forced outage downtime.